Hey everyone, welcome back to Modern Gadget Guy, the place where we break down the tech so you don't have to. Today we're diving into a fan favorite that continues to make waves in 2025, the ROVE R2-4K dashcam with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. It's been a bestseller for years, but the big question is, does it still hold up in today's ultra-competitive dashcam market? Well, let's find out. Design and build quality. Right out of the box, the ROVE R2-4K feels like a serious piece of gear. It's compact, sleek, and surprisingly premium for its price range. The matte black finish blends in well with most car interiors, making it discreet and non-distracting. It features a 2.4-inch LCD screen that's bright enough for quick playback or menu navigation. Not huge, but functional. The physical buttons are tactile and responsive, and navigating the interface is straightforward, even if you're not super tech-savvy. You get a suction mount, a card charger, and all the basics included. Installation is a breeze. Just plug it in, mount it behind your rearview mirror, and you're good to go. Video quality, true 4K. Let's talk image quality, because that's where the ROVE R2-4K really shines. This camera records in true 4K Ultra HD at 2160p, and honestly, it's impressive. Daytime footage is crisp, vibrant, and packed with detail. You can clearly read license plates from a distance, which is exactly what you want if you're ever involved in an accident or need evidence. Where the ROVE R2-4K surprises is its night vision performance. Thanks to its advanced f1.8 lens and Sony STARVIS sensor, low light and nighttime recordings are remarkably clear. Street lights don't blow out the image, and you can still capture key details like street signs and other vehicles, something many dash cams at this price point still struggle with. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi game changers. Let's move on to the built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, two features that elevate the ROVE R2-4K above your average dash cam. The GPS module logs your driving location and speed, embedding the data directly into your videos. This is incredibly useful if you ever need to prove your route or speed during a dispute. Even better, ROVE includes free access to a map view feature that shows your path alongside the footage on playback. Now, the Wi-Fi functionality is also a huge convenience. Using the ROVE app on your phone, you can instantly download videos or view them in real time without needing to remove the SD card or connect to a computer. It's a seamless process that adds real-world usability. Features that matter. Now let's talk about the features that make this dashcam stand out. Loop recording. This ensures you're always recording, even when your SD card fills up. Old footage gets automatically overwritten. G-sensor. If there's a sudden impact, the camera automatically locks the current video so it doesn't get overwritten. Parking mode. This records any motion or impact while your car is parked. But just a heads up, it requires a separate hardwire kit. Time-lapse mode. A fun bonus feature for road trips or documenting long drives. Wide 150-degree angle. Captures a broad view of the road without excessive fisheye distortion. Ease of use. The user interface is clean and intuitive, and the button layout is practical even when you're driving. Setup takes less than 10 minutes, and ROVE's instructions are clear and beginner-friendly. Their customer support is also worth mentioning. ROVE is known for excellent after-sales service and an active user community. Firmware updates are available through the app, and customer reviews frequently praise their responsiveness. Battery and storage. The ROVE R2-4K doesn't rely on a lithium-ion battery. Instead, it uses a supercapacitor, which performs much better in extreme temperatures, ideal if you're in a hot or freezing climate. It also increases the reliability and lifespan of the device. Storage-wise, the camera supports up to 512 GB microSD cards, which is massive. You can store hours of high-resolution footage before worrying about space. What could be better? As solid as the ROVE R2-4K is, it's not perfect. No rear camera. This is a front-only dash cam. If you're looking for full front and rear protection, you'll have to upgrade to a dual-cam model. Parking mode requires hardwiring. The built-in battery isn't enough for motion detection while parked. You'll need to buy a hardwire kit separately if that's important to you. The app could use some polish. While the ROVE app works fine for the basics, some users report occasional lag or connectivity issues, especially on older smartphones. Still, these are minor setbacks in the grand scheme of what the ROVE R2-4K offers. Final thoughts, pros and cons. Let's sum it all up. Pros: true 4K Ultra HD video with excellent clarity. Great night vision with Sony STARVIS sensor. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi with easy mobile access. Reliable supercapacitor power. Supports up to 512GB micro SD cards. Solid build quality and intuitive user interface. Helpful customer support. Cons: no rear camera included. Parking mode requires extra hardware. Mobile app could be smoother. Final verdict: the ROVE R2-4K is one of the best value-for-money dash cams on the market, even in 2025. It balances premium features like 4K resolution, GPS tracking, and Wi-Fi connectivity with solid reliability and performance, all at a price point that won't break the bank. If you're looking for a dependable, high-quality front-facing dash cam with all the essential features, the ROVE R2-4K is absolutely worth considering. We give it a solid 9 out of 10. Ready to upgrade your driving experience? Click the link in the description to check out the ROVE R2-4K dashcam on Amazon and see if it's the right fit for your car. Thanks for watching Modern Gadget Guy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest tech reviews every week. Stay safe and drive smart.